So guys, in this video we are going to look how we can create a login UI using SketchUp for an Android application. So for that we need a tool or a software called SketchUp. Here it is. So this is also a paid version and you can pay 99 for a year. And now after open it, just select new document and choose. In here we have to create an artboard for our application. To create open artboard, we press A on keyboard, or we can go from here in insert tab and then we can go here like artboard and choose your device. If we choose Apple, then here it is Apple's device. And for this video we are going to create a UI for Android device, so I will choose Android device, mobile. Just arrange it for my need and just type here login UI. It doesn't matter you are right or not right in here. Then just create a rectangle here, and after creating a rectangle you will have to fill it with color, or if you don't want to fill color you can also use image. This is all color if you wish. Here is gradient, so this is some gradient properties and like that, but I will not use this because I'm using image for this. So I will have image here, just drag and drop here. Okay, just arrange where you wanted it to be. Okay, so after this creating, just select both of these, command G for group it, and name it BG for background, and then just create a oval for use our logo. You can use your own logo here. I will not using logo here. I will just creating normal logo here. So for that I will use this color, and then I will go here and select material and choose any one of those logo. Like for this tutorial I will use something car or kind of logo. So where it is, here it is. So I will just select it. Here the logo, our logo. I will use 72 for this, and maybe a little bit big. What? Oh, this is pretty more. Okay, so or maybe 90. Perfect for me. Just center it. You can use from here and group it also, and name it as logo. Before you start, just select this and make it white color. If you use any, you can use any color of this. For now, after creating background and logo, we have to create background for our input boxes. So for that I will use rectangle tool, just simply press R on keyboard and draw it here. Okay, just center it, and if you want a radius for that, you can use from here. Like if you want this type of input box, I will demo in this type of 100%. It like looks like this. You can also use smooth corner for that, and 100% for radius. Just remove this fill and go here and select white color for the border. You can also increase size of the input box from here or from here, and then just after creating input box, we have to place some text over here. So just press T on keyboard and here, and select size of this and type email. Oh sorry, I will email over here, and I will choose font maybe Lucida or something like, yeah. Yeah, this is better for me. Just select once again. Okay, and yeah, just select both of these, make group, call username, and duplicate it with command D and name it password. Just drag over here, okay, and command D on this, so you can select text from there and click and just rename it password, and yeah, just select both of these and just make a little bit high, so we can place here our button. Now again copy and paste using command and just name it login button, and for this we can put it here, and for this we have to center the text here. Double click and type login and select rectangle. Now for this we'll use fill and remove this border. For fill color we are going to use this by default color from here. It will look awesome. Now here just place here and change its color from here. You can use black color or any other color from here, and make it bold so it look very good. Yeah, and yeah, this is it. But yeah, we just created our first UI in the SketchUp, and if you want to put a forgot password, then you can also put it here, like forgot password, click, oh sorry, click here. Okay, select it, change color to white, font 20, and then center it from here, and you can create a perfect UI for your application. You can play with setting and make this UI as you want. So this is our UI. In next video we are going to show how we can apply this UI in Android Studio. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe.